friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also I brought for you the exclusive varieties segment from silk collections. If I talk about Doriwala square building silk varieties, here is the many more varieties like Kanjivaram, Paitani, Patola, rapier silk, silk cotton and silk butta, jacquard silk. All these kind of varieties you can purchase set to set at wholesale price. We support the resellers, dealers, wholesalers, businessmen and entrepreneurs to have a new exclusive only from the right manufacturers. So friends, today I brought for you the exclusive new collections from the copper butta segment. Varieties of low range 500 rupees to around 650 range of collections. So if you're a reseller, if you want to start a silk collection showroom, shop or the business, you can tie up with Kesaria manufacturers. You can deal with Kesaria manufacturers without middle person. So not required, number scrolling on the screen, you can do video calling purchase, online purchase, WhatsApp chat, and pan India we do have a providing COD option services. And if you are out of India, you have minimum 1 lakh purchase, you can do it from the online video calling segment. And we do have under one roof sari, lehenga, kurti, kids collections, men varieties, matching collections, western wear, tops, bottoms, dupattas. So 3-piece chudidar varieties all at under one roof. So Kesaria, which is located from Surat railway station, just walkable distance, Doriwala square building next to Mohan Sweets, you can have a huge and big shop where the family store also you can plan at your location through Kesaria franchisee. And I just want to share everyone, the Kesaria is giving you franchisee 3 modules they have brought for you: exclusive model and premium model and super family store model. Depend on the investments, you can have your location, the Kesaria shop. Based on your investment, you can directly contact the number scrolling on the screen for in detail video. Sure, I'll share the video with you all. Subscribe this channel for the regular product updates where you can do easily online purchase wholesale at friendly budget collections. So let's see, here is the varieties, very pretty collections. Every saree is having a different design, different copper butta varieties. So first pattern, very pretty color, caramel color combination with beautiful traditional base with Mahalakshmi border, where you can see the Rama green color combination. And here is a very pretty, and this is the combination of the yellow, and this is the green color combination with the copper butta and the copper common. So this is the mango leaf pattern. You have a varieties, you can take a screenshot and you can contact. And here very pretty sari, this is the pattern. And here at the pallu you can see the grey color finishing with weaving work sarees. This is the very pretty with the brocade pattern. This is the blouse. All these collections having a very color charts with set to set. If I talk about the next pattern with the Rama green color with the royal blue color combination, varieties of copper butta. This is the pallu and you have a beautiful, very pretty copper border, and these varieties you can purchase. All these kind of collections you can have a store at your location also. And in this you can take a screenshot and you can contact. If I talk about the next pattern, very pretty color with a geometrical pattern, very lavender color with the two-tone shade with the geometrical base of the mini copper and mini border with the copper Mahalakshmi border, which is softy butta is the code. You can tell this code and you can have a video calling purchase. These kind of varieties also you can do. And next pattern, if I talk about the dark maroon red, this bottle green, you have a butta weaving, very pretty, very lovely collections. In this you have a floral based bottle green and you have a golden leafy pattern copper butta sarees. This kind of collections also you can purchase. You can have a one more sari with this parrot green color combination with butta. This is also very pretty. You can take a screenshot and you can contact. Heavy copper butta leafy pattern, so silver butta and silver, and this you have a huge weightless sarees and heavy also you can purchase. Every saree is having a different butta weaving work sarees. If I talk about the next saree, uniformic pattern, the navy blue color with the copper finishing, heavy concept, these saree, uniformic concept which is related to schools, teachers, professors, these kind of sarees looks very pretty. And this is, you have a unique flower pot. This is softy butta 12 is the softy butta 2 is the code. If I talk about mehendi green with copper butta coffee brown, and you have an onion pinkish color with magenta color combination, mango leaf copper butta, this is a sari, and this is a very pretty color combination. So all these kind of saris you can purchase. So these kind of copper butta saris you can purchase from 500 rupees to approximately. So friends, today I have showed you copper butta weaving work saris at from this silk segment you can purchase, and you have a jacquard silk, you have a kanjivaram, you have a paithani, you have a patola, you have a banarasi, you have a sequence, you have a weaving butta saris, chinon chiffon silk saris, plain saris, weightless saris, and brocade pattern running blouses, all these varieties at one place. Every bunch you can see 4 colors, 6 colors, 7 colors, designs. So today whatever the saris I have shared with you, I have not shared the actual price. To know the actual price, you can call the numbers which are scrolling on the screen. The customers has come to purchase, so that's why I have just surely very soon I have shared the saris with different color options. So subscribe the channel. At your shop you can also have like this kind of view. You can also plan with mannequins with setup. Very pretty saris at your friendly budget you can also purchase with Kesaria manufacturers. To have an regular updates, you can call the numbers. There is online team to guide you. Singapore, Malaysia, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Canada, US, all over the world. While we promote safety and security with the product we deliver to you at your doorstep. And India, Pan India COD options are available. Minimum online purchase 25 to 30,000 also you can purchase, and video calling live purchase you can do. And one more thing, Doriwala Square building, which is next to Mohan Sweets, walkable distance from Surat railway station, you can see and you can try to visit. We do have a 3-4 floors, and the franchisee details also, premium model, exclusive model, and the super family store at your location. You can plan and invest. If you're a retired person, you want to start a clothing business, you can tie up with directly Kesaria manufacturers without any third person, without any middle person or agents. So hope you enjoyed these varieties of silk butta collections. Next video will meet. So keep supporting. Don't forget to share your name and city in the comments. So share the link with everyone. There's a bell icon, just click it. So next video will meet with new more collections and information. Until then, take care. Bye bye friends.